My name is Ray Geist. I'm originally from the eastern shore of Maryland, a small town called Trapp. I've been doing this sport for 12 years now. I've been up here at the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show for 8. The Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show is a competition between two logging camps, the Spruce Mill Americans, which is my team, versus the Dawson Creek Canadians. They attempt to come out here and beat us and, show us that they're the bull of the woods and they can take the competition, but it never happens. We are the best logging camp out there.
My name's Hank Johnson. I'm from Stillwater, Minnesota. Ray and his team think they're going to win most often, but, typically doesn't really happen.
We're having what's known as the Timber Carnival. It is a competition to see who's got the best team out there in the woods.
So you're ready. 1, 2, go!
We go against each other in wood chopping, speed climbing, log rolling, chainsaws flying.
It's very fast-paced, back-to-back, event after event.
When the crowd gets going, we're on this stage, it's unbelievable. It definitely pumps us up. We want to win. We're all competitive guys. It's a battle, for sure.
I think the best thing about the show for the guests on the ship is the show is only an hour long, so they can go and check out the town, and you can also combo it, meaning you can go on other tours after or even before the Lumberjack show. You can enjoy a rowdy good time, but also enjoy the island and see other parts of it with other tours or just walking around, checking out Creek Street and the totem poles.
The Lumberjack show was fun, exciting. I highly recommend it to anybody who wants to take the excursion. And the crab feast was wonderful. Abundance of crab. The cheesecake at the end is very good as well. Plenty to eat.